Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about cross-docking in Odoo 19 inventory module. So cross-docking is a process of receiving products from the supplier and immediately transferring to the customer without being stored in your warehouse. So to manage with the cross-docking, let's move on to the inventory module. And from the inventory, you can just move on to the configuration settings, and here we just need to enable the multi-step routes. So multi-step routes will let you to manage the cross-docking. So we have enabled the multi-step routes. Once it's done, you can just move on to the configuration and choose warehouses, and we need to set up the receive then and store in two-step as well as the outgoing shipment also in two-step. And afterwards we can move on to the routes over here, and you can see that the routes and if you want to create a new route, you can create a route separately from here. So in this case, you can see that I have created a route called cross-docking, where I'll be performing the route in the products with different actions, such as the rules, like whenever the products are needed by the customer, the product will be taken to the input, and then it will be moving to the output, and from the output it will be moving to the customer side. So we have to set the rules accordingly. So here we'll be performing the action as pull from, which means whenever the products are needed in the warehouse output location, the destination is given as warehouse output location. Internal transfers will be created from the input location in order to fulfill the needs, and the product will be moved towards the warehouse stock as specified from the internal transfer destination. Need is created in the warehouse input, and a rule will be triggered. Later on, you just need to set the product to the customer side. So whenever the product is needed by the customer, a delivery order will be created in order to fulfill the need, and that will be a rule will be triggered over there. So once it's done, you can move on to the products, and under the products you can see that we have different products. I would like to consider the product which is drawer black, and inside the drawer black we just need to set the vendor Gemini furniture, and under the inventory we need to enable the cross-docking as well as buy over here. Once it's done, you can move on to the products over here. In the order, you can choose the product drawer black. So you can see that I'm going to create an order with the customer, the product, and the product is drawer black. And if you want to assign the route, you can just set the routes over here. Okay, for the time when I'll be removing it, and let me save this and let me confirm it, and you can see that a purchase order is triggered over here. And first we just need to get the item. For that we can confirm the order, and as we just move to receive the item, you can see that we are first getting the product into the input, and let's validate it. We are not keeping the item in the stock. Now we can just move on to the next operation, and from the internal transfer that will be moving on to the stock. And from there what we're doing is that currently it's in the stock. Right now we need to deliver the item to the customer. So we can just move on to the sales over here, and we need to deliver the item. So currently you can see that the product has been moved to the stock, and once it's done, now the product will be taken from there, and we can check the availability, and we can set the quantity over here. And once it's done, you can see that we can save the changes that we have made, and you can see that we'll be performing the delivery operation from the output location to the delivery orders. So this is how we manage with the cross-docking, and you can manage the Odoo management from mobile also. So do you know how can you manage your Odoo from mobile? Cybrosys has built Mobo for that. Mobo is a suite for managing your Odoo from the mobile. anytime, anywhere without internet, and you can just get it from Android or iOS, and it's completely open source. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.